Hello, this is Kevin Power's distributed systems project video, and it's for Endless TV, which is just a live streaming application which is using my webcam stream, OpenCV, the Flask kind of web framework, and Waitress as a WGSI server to host it all. Additionally, I have some additional functionality and features added in, such as kind of face and eye tracking. And I just kind of going to explain it all in this video and do a demonstration of how everything works. So the main kind of two things for this app is just my index HTML page and my obviously Python script. So like we have the CV2 that kind of takes in my webcam, and then we have the cascades for the frontal face detection and eye detection. We generate our kind of frames with the rectangles and the colors of the rectangles for the face and eye tracking, and then we're converting the webcam stream into kind of frame by frame, which is probably a more efficient way of doing it, but this is the way I found that works best for me at the moment. And then we have kind of Flask for like routing and managing everything else and hosting online. And then obviously this serve app on host 000 is for Waitress, and 000 just opens it up to everyone else on the network. And then I just picked port 8000 because it was most efficient for me, and I decided to use HTTPS. The reason mainly for that is it's between Flask and Waitress, it makes it much easier to use HTTP or HTTPS than any other service, because there's a lot of other ones you could have chose for video streaming that might be more efficient. So it might be something I look into in the future. Obviously this removed tracking, I was trying to make it as a post method, so it kind of redirects you to a different route where there's no tracking on the video. But I couldn't get that working, but I still wanted to show that I knew how to kind of work with APIs and stuff, and how the methods and stuff were usually called with them. So I kind of left in that method and added in kind of just a message to say that it's going to be coming soon. The main reason I didn't get it working is that I just ran out of time. What else is there? No, that's kind of pretty much the code side of things. Obviously I have a load of other classes for when I was testing different methods and stuff, but the main thing is just the app and the index page. So to run it then, we just put app.py into my console, and then if we load up the browser here, I just close this down. Now if we load up the browser and we go to the IP address, which you can get from doing ipconfig in your command line, and if I just refresh this, it should work for me, and you should see me come up on the screen. Yep. Hello. As we can see, the face detection works. So if I take off my glasses, you'll see it's detecting my eyes as well. So that's all working perfectly fine. I'm going to put these back on for now. And then if I click the button here, redirects us onto another page where there's the message coming in as well. So that's just kind of posting this message to the page. Additionally, you can connect to this on other devices. Hold on, I'll see if I can get it up on my phone. I'm not logged in. Oh, my phone's out of battery. You can connect to it on many other devices, like any other laptop, as long as you're on the same network. That's no problem at all. I believe I showed you that in a lab meeting I had with you during the week, but I can show you that functionality if need be. And yeah, that's pretty much the project. I called it Endless TV because I thought it sounded cool, and just kind of this stream will always go on while it's running, so it's kind of endless. But yeah, unless there's any kind of questions you have for me, I think I answered most of the logical and theory side of things in the presentation, or in the report itself. So thank you, I guess, for listening to the video, and that's pretty much everything. And where's OBS? There we go.